Here we have made a ponytail dividing into two, and now taking the each part of the hair in this way that creates this style as you can see. In the next we are using this stick to make a bun. So just rolling the whole hair and wrap it up on the top. So easy to make. In the next again we are starting with ponytail and making this bun in this way. It's ready. Now half pony is being done, twisting all the hair, putting the rest of the hair and do the same. And now pushing rest of the hair into it. It shapes like a bun. Again half ponytail, just insert the ponytail into it. It's ready. In the next here, without using rubber band, we are making a hairstyle in this way as you can see. Now again another way of half ponytail. So just like this it's ready. In the next we are using a ribbon, this style of ribbon, to make a ponytail braid. So after this done, you can roll it up to make a bun. It's ready. In the next we are using a stick and putting the two part of hair over it, now making the fishtail braid as you can see. And after this done in this way, putting all together on top, it's ready. In the next we are making a ponytail and using this stick and doing the same as we did before, but the difference is here we have made a simple braid. In the next we have made a ponytail braid and rolling it up, it takes a shape of bun. Now again we are using a stick to make a bun. Easy to make. In the next we have made a ponytail. Now doing this in this way, and now putting some of the hair into it like this. It's ready. Again we have made a ponytail, putting the top of the hair and bind it up with rubber band. Rest of the hair, rolling it up, putting up. It's ready. A bun is ready. In the next, making a ponytail, twisting it up in this way, now rolling it up. A bun is ready. So here we are going to use a spoon to make another hairstyle. So it's just same as we did before. It's ready. In the next, the ponytail is done. Now putting the rubber band in between and making the bun as you can see in the video. It's ready. In the next, making a bun simply done with one rubber band. Now making half ponytail and in this way as you can see it's ready. In the next, taking each part of the hair, bind it up with rubber band on each side. Ponytail is done. Now putting the rest of the hair into it in this way that creates a puff. Now putting the rest of the hair in this way that creates a bun. In this here we are just simply putting the rest of the hair over it that creates this style of bun. In this, making the each part of the hair by inserting into it in this way as you can see. In the next, making a half ponytail. Now putting the top of the hair and a half bun is ready. In the next again half ponytail is done. Now inserting the tail, dividing into two and making its braid. Now taking rest of the hair in this way, it's ready. In the next we are using this colorful string and just putting all over the ponytail. Now ponytail is being done another way, just pinching it up the some of the top hair. So just rest of the hair, binding it up around it. It's ready. So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.